What's up, guys? We're back. We're gonna be reacting to
2 Chainz.
Lil Wayne. Long story short,
What a big house just to fuck you in it. So let's get into this. I wonder what's gonna happen with this album.
I don't think we should underestimate exactly how much weed is gonna be in this music video.
This beat
Yes,
sounds
yes.
dangerously familiar to something we've reacted to recently. The sample. The Lil Yachty song.
This life gon' be the death of me.
That's just the wrong sound to use with this car.
Wake up, like the blunt I put out for I fell asleep. My bitch look like she Cherokee. My crib look like I'm selling keys. My dick feel like some therapy. About that life I guarantee
more
you
tattoos.
living life vicariously.
Damn.
Yes, yes, so many tattoos.
Out for I fell asleep. My bitch look like she Cherokee. My crib look like I'm selling keys. My dick feel like some therapy. About that life I guarantee you living life vicariously. This life gon' be the death of me. And she don't care where I ski. Hit that hoe from head to feet. She walk out here, she wearing me. I talk my shit, she smelling me. And all I hear is jealousy. I call them niggas jelly beans. Love my trigger finger so much I bought it a wedding ring. Yeah.
Okay, that's the first line I can say. Whoa, okay. Love my trigger finger so much I put it a wedding ring. Okay, hi Wayne.
Love my trigger finger so much I bought it a wedding ring. Yeah.
You know it's weird.
Yeah. Let's get married. Cut off his head and the rest get buried. Crossing my head like a Presbyterian. Telling me dead, no say his parent. Tears get shed only if you care. Right on his head, see the red beam glare. 212 gauges like 24 carats. Hold up, ain't that a bitch? I might bang at your bitch if I
212 gauge, like 24 carats.
Yeah. Such a wild line, but okay.
12 gauges, it's a gun.
It's a gun,
It's
yeah.
guns.
So
12
it
gauge
is 24.
shotgun,
Basically 24
carats.
divided by 2.
So, okay, I'm sure I'm missing out something here.
see the red beam glare. 212 gauges like 24 carats. Hold up, ain't that a bitch? I might bang at your bitch if I go out that neck on my hand and a bitch. Scope on the tech and the can with that shit. I can hit you up from in the range with that bitch. Got papers on Draco, a case on the radar. You fuck on me wrong, I'm a baked potato. I twist his head on you like a tornado. Put out the tools like they on my ear. I bust on the cradle, fuck on the ghetto. Can't run a straight home and I ain't complaining. That's how I dig I said okay, I bust on the ghetto. I'm a baked potato. I twist his head on you like a tornado. Put out the tools like they on my ear. I bust on the cradle, fuck on the ghetto. Can't run a straight home and I ain't complaining. That's how I dig I said okay.
Came with a straight hope, but I ain't complaining. Okay.
I bust on the cradle, fuck on the ghetto. Can't run straight home and I ain't complaining. That's how I dig I said okay ho, I been on my J.O. I'm been in, she J-Lo, she been up Barbados, I take her to Kiko. All of this bread and she can't get a bagel. All of that said, I can't really stay though. I hop in the lamb and crank it like Fable, I'm going up. Like the blunt I put out for I fell asleep. My bitch look like she Cherokee. My crib look like I'm selling keys. My dick feel like some therapy. About that life I guarantee you living life vicariously. This life gon' be the death of me.
I'll make you come, you cannot leave. I drown my heart in kerosene. A+ off in parenting, get my kids damn near everything. Oh, you get a wedding ring, better get her ass a belly ring. Soon as I start trapping, man, my phone it wouldn't even barely ring. I don't compete, but you can't compete. Plain Jane, protect, believe. I with my lady, we came to eat. My style make you think that they changed the beat. We on a date, make it rain some one. They want no chain, but the chains gon' come. Soon as I say it, it's said and done. And my screensaver, my favorite gun. I'm rocking, I'm swerving, I'm popping, detergent, get money, it's urgent. God bless her surgeon. I rub my hand, Birdman.
Okay.
I've never thought we'd live in a time where
Smart line.
like we'll really like
Worship surgery.
yeah, like I've never thought like fake bodies would be a thing. I never would have guessed that it would be like so embraced and endorsed.
Money, it's urgent. God bless her surgeon. I rub my hand, Birdman. Double cup, lean head. I done been the weed, man. It's a blessing, you ain't dead. I keep it rolling like paraplegic. I'm better believe it, you better believe it. Oh, biting on me like every mosquito. I wearing shades, think I'm staring at people. I did the math and they know what we equal. The collar grow true, and so this is the secret. They They call it grow twins, so this is the sequel.
Wake up like the blunt I put out before I fell asleep. My bitch look like she Cherokee. My crib look like I'm selling keys. My dick feel like some therapy. By that life I guarantee you living life vicariously. This life gon' be the death of me.
Blood to my lips, blood on my lips, blood to my lips, blood on my, blood to my lips, blood on my lips, blood to my lips, blood on my lips, blood to my lips, blood on my lips, blood to my lips, blood on my, blood to my lips, blood on my lips.
There's so much opportunity for 2 Chainz to just go for the win.
Both of them.
Yeah, but I mean, yeah, I know what you mean, but I'm talking in terms of like when I was listening to the song, I thought 2 Chainz was easily gonna overshadow him, cause Wayne's verse was like,
Oh.
this is a very
Same
mixed
guy who
song.
said she got a big booty, so I call her big booty. 2 Chainz gets
Yeah,
paid,
but
I'm
2
not.
Chainz,
There's no atmosphere where
but he
2
could have done the
Chainz
same thing he did on The Mercy.
with Push. Nah, Pusha T killed that shit.
Yes, but 2 Chainz is the highlight when his verse comes on.
Okay,
Go and
fair
bring me
enough.
Champagne, cool collar, mayonnaise. I'm drinking hot at the same time, drinking champagne on an airplane. Like he comes in, his part is so distinct.
Yeah, but I'm saying it's the chance of him beating Wayne. Yes.
Yeah, generally they low, obviously, but on this song you could have came with
No,
more
I just
personality.
personally I just didn't like the beat. Maybe I just didn't like. I don't like samples like this, like old music samples.
This song was nah.
Like the old jazz samples. I'm not a fan.
Cause even on Wayne's verse, even I think there's something, I don't know, I might be wrong, but I think even on the way they mix his verses these days, he sounds less audible than he normally would be. Like he has that thing.
I want that old Lil Wayne in 2 Chainz.
No. It doesn't sound.
I want that old Lil Wayne in 2 Chainz. Rich as fuck. What else? I said, ba ba da boop.
Yeah. We got
Ga
a lot
ba da
of dope,
boop. What
But I
else?
don't know, man. I'm not impressed with this song, especially because it's the first single.
Yeah,
So-
I really wish they made a different music
They
video.
better come with something that's more punchier.
But yeah, thank you so much for staying with us, guys. Please like, subscribe, and if you feel like our takes were horrible, then tell us or tell him.
Yeah. And give it a like. Don't hate. Appreciate. Give it a like.
Yeah, and tell my friend exactly what you think of him. If you didn't like something I said, I apologize. But yeah, we'll see you next time, guys.